So the YouTube channel is going to be a big one as well. We're going to get into that in a moment. I know you said that you have a Facebook group as well. What's happening with the Facebook group right now?
It's active. I'm not as creative, I would say, within the Facebook group. I'm just sharing activity. But I am like, I'm not even going to say delayed. I just didn't have a lot of activity to just always be placing in there. And the only activity that is even being shown is being done by me. No one else participates inside of the Facebook group.
Got you. Okay. So on this call, what I want to do is as follows. Again, I'm much more focused on how to make sure that you have consistent flow of leads coming in, that you're consistently providing that value. And I think that when we get the systems in place to make these strategies happen as easily and simply and as effectively as possible for you, then those 40 transactions, the 10 million, let's say, of volume either this year or next year will just continue to get easier and more and more and more. And that's really what scale looks like.
Right.
So I think there's two things really that need to happen. And I think the two things that need to happen are your YouTube channel and your Facebook group. Okay. It's just that consistent value. It's consistent content. The great news is that your YouTube channel and your Facebook group also will bleed into your actual social media strategy. So for example, let's say like this video right now that we're doing, this goes onto my YouTube channel, goes into my podcast. It also goes into my Facebook group as a Facebook Live. I'll have the video footage to send to a video editor to break down into multiple reels. When you do one thing in one area, it's very easy to kind of repurpose that. And that's really what I want to talk about, because I want you to be able to accomplish more, but also work less.
Use music to my ears.
Okay.